Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect a laptop or a PC to your Hisense Smart TV. First of all, prepare an HDMI cable, HDMI to HDMI, like this one. Grab your laptop and locate the HDMI output on it. It's usually present on most modern laptops, except for maybe MacBooks. In such case, you're gonna have to use some kind of adapter and plug in the HDMI cable into an adapter. Now, for this model, we can see that HDMI cable is located right here. So let's connect one end of the HDMI cable to the laptop like this, and then plug in the other end into your TV, and ports for HDMI are located on the left side, on the back cover of your TV. So grab the other side of the HDMI cable and plug it into your smart TV. Once you connect devices to each other, let's first turn on the laptop. And now, to switch to the laptop's channel, you're gonna have to press the source button, which is right here. Then use the down arrow button and then the right arrow button to select HDMI. Press OK, and then just wait until your laptop is connected to your TV. And now everything that happens on your laptop screen will be transmitted to your TV screen. Then you can just change the source in the same way that you did before. And that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.